Researchers at Iowa State University have made a discovery that could help fight leukemia.
Yeah, Raquel Espin Palazon, an associate professor of genetics, development, and cell biology, identified 2 essentials needed to make white blood cells that can be differentiated. Local 5's Emma Stroner is here after speaking with her about this big finding. Emma, how did this start?
Well, Espin Palazon first was curious about macrophages. They're a type of white blood cell that's everywhere in the body. One of the most highly expressed proteins in macrophages is progranulin. She thought to herself, if they were expressed that highly, they likely have a good function. It turns out that function can help fight against leukemia, along with JAK2 and STAT3. Now, these are components of a signaling pathway for cancer progression. She says in leukemia, cells get stalled at the progenitor stage, and these 2 components would drive differentiation so bone marrow doesn't continue to fill up with leukemia cells. Espin Palazon says this could make a huge difference in how somebody is able to overcome cancer.
Many of the treatments for leukemia, what they do, they actually block the JAK2 STAT3 pathway because that makes them proliferate. That makes them divide and divide. But what they were missing was that progranulin.
And now that this discovery has been made, Espin Palazon says her and her team will start setting up clinical trials with patients through universities and with biopharmaceuticals. She says they will also need to look at the toxicity rate before anyone is able to undergo this type of treatment. Now, the most recent data from the Iowa Health and Human Services shows that in 2023, 688 people in Iowa had leukemia. Now, in the whole country, there were just under 68,000 new cases estimated this year. Joseph?
Emma, thank you.